All right, we got this NEARPOW outdoor dimmer for string lights. This is the box, nice little box it comes in. And here is the actual product right here. And it even comes with a remote. So as you can see, you can hook it up to 2 different lights right here. I'm gonna introduce you in just a second the string lights we have outside, but you can also hook it up to your patio lights, even like a lamp. So that's amazing. And you can control it right here with this switch to control the timer. You can also control the timer with the remote. And I'll be showing it to you with the remote. This is waterproof, and it is amazing. Let's go hook it up. And so I got this extension cord. I'm just going to hook it up to one thing right now. Got this extension cord right here. I'm just going to plug it in like so. And there we go. Now I'm going to plug this side in, which looks like that. I'm going to plug it in here. All right, so it's plugged in. I'm going to hit the on switch, and you're going to watch them turn on. So here they go. They are on. And I can adjust the dimness, go up. So as you can see, it's brightening, and I can adjust it down. And there's 10 levels of dimness and brightness. And then from there, say you wanted to set them to shut off after 2 hours, hit the 2-hour button, you're good to go. So as you can see, it's amazing, very easy to use.